beauties, how are you guys? Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So today I am going to be sharing some inspiration that you guys can do at home for a at-home luxury facial that you can do. This is not an everyday routine. Of course, I do have a winter skincare routine coming up very soon though, but this one is just if you actually want to give yourself a professional facial at home. And there's so many different types of facials that you can get tailored to your specific skin need. This one, I focused it on moisture because I feel like since it's winter and it's something that we can all benefit from, I feel like this is gonna be pretty universal across all of our skin types. But there is some things that you can tweak in there depending on what you're looking for. So I'm just gonna give you all the steps, and then under each step, you guys can choose the type of toner, the type of serum that you're looking for. But I'm just gonna give you all the steps so you have an overall idea of what you can do at home, which is really exciting because facials tend to be super expensive at the spa. And why not treat ourselves, show some love to ourselves by indulging in some quality me time and giving ourselves a beautiful, much needed facial here at home. It's one of my favorite ways to self-care, and I hope you guys find this video inspiring. I personally love setting the mood by lighting candles, turning on my healing salt lamp, and diffusing essential oils. Today, I chose a few different Synergy blends, one stress relief and the other one breathe. These are going to help create the perfect environment for my emotional needs of that day. To make this wonderful cleanser, what you want to do is take some olive oil as the base. This is rich in vitamin E. We're doing 4 teaspoons. Vitamin E helps slow down the skin's aging process and also blocks out free radicals and replenishes our lipids. It's just absolutely wonderful. We're going to add vegetable glycerin, which is going to act as a moisturizer. It's going to retain moisture. Then we're going to do 4 tablespoons of castile soap, which is a gentle cleanser. I'm doing lavender oil because it's just one of my favorite essential oils. And I'm just going to do a few drops. And 2 tablespoons of water. I am going to mix all of this up. It's nice and frothy. And after it's fully mixed, I am going to add it into a recycled, empty, clean container, which I can easily dispense into the palm of my hands. I love using an oil-based cleanser because it doesn't strip away the natural oils of our skin. And this is really great for the winter time all year long, but especially when it's super, super dry. I'm just going to cleanse the skin twice, which is what makes this treatment a little bit different. Usually it's just once a day. But since we are doing a facial, we are going to thoroughly and gently cleanse the skin again without stripping it completely dry. And of course, we cannot forget about a hot towel. The hot towel treatments are one of my favorite parts of just going to the spa. So to do this, all I did was just take like a face towel, I ran it under some water, you wring it out so it's nice and damp, and then you just place it inside a plastic bag, put it in the microwave for about 50 seconds, and then just carefully take it out of the bag, kind of move it a little bit so it cools off, and then you can easily just wipe off all the cleanser from your face, and it's also going to help open up the pores. So we are going to be doing a hot towel treatment to remove all of the cleansers and the masks. Next, I'm going to exfoliate. I found this really great microdermabrasion system at the drugstore a few weeks back, and it's now one of my favorite tools for glowing, smooth, clear, and supple skin. I would recommend this product to any woman out there who is in their 30s and older because it's going to help with age spots, sunspots, enlarged pores, and it's also going to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Now, this device is super easy to use as well. You just simply attach one of the rejuvenating puffs with the blue side facing up. You want to wet the puff and then you just massage it onto your face and your neck in circular motion for about 2 minutes. And of course, I'm also taking this all the way down to the neck area because we cannot forget about that. And just remove with a hot towel. Now, we can't do facial day without steam. I think this is one of the key components whenever you get a professional facial. They use a lot of steam in your face because it really helps just prepare the skin for extractions. I am personally going to leave any extractions to the professionals, and I am going to, however, use the steam to help de-stress myself because you're breathing in the aromas of the dry and the fresh flowers and any of the oils that you might have added. I chose to use fresh lavender and calendula. Lavender, again, it's calming, it's antifungal, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory. Calendula flower is one of my new favorite healing flowers because it does so much for the skin and the body. I've actually done a body scrub as well using the calendula flower, but here specifically I added it to the steam because it's going to hydrate and speed up any healing process of sunspots, blemishes, and acne scars that I might have. So I really wanted to take advantage of the properties, the healing properties, by adding it to the steam. And now that my pores are nice and open, I am going to do a mask. Now, if you're looking to wake up your tired complexion, then I would highly recommend Cup of Coffee by Lush. It's a vegan mask with kaolin clay, which deeply cleanses impurities from the pores. And the ground coffee acts as a gentle scrub to buff away dryness and reveal glowing, beautiful skin. Next comes the toner, a gentle spritz of seawater, aloe vera gel, and rose absolute is going to soothe and cool and hydrate the skin. You can't forget about a serum, so always choose a serum specifically for your skin needs. I actually found this really great one at Lush as well. It's the Argan facial oil, and it's also rich in vitamin E. It has prickly pear oil, which is really cool, and soothing rose hip oil to also nourish and calm the skin. And it also contains lemon oil, which is really great if you want to brighten up your complexion. Next, I'm going to apply the Origins Make a Difference Plus Rejuvenating Treatment with this wonderful Sigma moisturizer brush to avoid cross-contamination, and it's also such a great brush to use on your face if you're going to get a facial. So I'm going to apply this moisturizer all over my face and my neck area. One of the key ingredients in this gel moisturizer is the Rose of Jericho, which is going to help restore moisture in dry, dehydrated skin. All of these products are very moisturizing and wonderful for the skin, which is going to help give you that beautiful glow. And we're going to finish off with a facial mist. One of my favorite natural remedies for dry skin is rose water. It's full of antioxidants and some antibacterial properties as well. All I do is mist this all over my face and body to reduce water loss and also help retain moisture. But I just wanted to give you like an overall guide as to the steps that you can do to really deep clean, moisturize your skin without stripping it away, so you can have supple, smooth, glowing, beautiful skin, which is exactly what this facial has given me. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And till next time, have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you guys soon.